Hello guys, here we go then. Let's get these wraps on and show you how to do these wraps. Okay, so you take your thumb, through the loop on your wrap like that. Then from there, I bring it over my wrist. You might find loads of different ways to do this, but this is the way that I've done it for years. So over my wrist like that, and then I wrap it round 2 or 3 times around my wrist. So depending on how long your wraps are, will depend on how many times you can go around your wrist. Like that. Then from there, so it's like that, I've gone around my wrist, and then I bring it underneath, like that, and then I go over my thumb. And then wrap it underneath my thumb, and then bring it back over. So then from the underside of my thumb, you can see that it's wrapped around my thumb. And then I go around my wrist once again, and then from there, I bring it back under my wrist, up to my top right knuckle, if you're doing your right hand, and then from there, I keep my fingers spread, so then when you clench your fist, you've got plenty of room still in your wraps and they're not too tight. And then I go underneath there, like that. And then I wrap it around my knuckles. Same again, 3 or 4 times depending on how long your wraps are. But look how wide I'm keeping my fingers. Keeping my fingers nice and wide. So then in a second I'll show you as I clench my fist that you've still got plenty of room and the wraps don't feel too tight. The idea is that they need to be tight-ish but not too tight. So enough to support, but not enough to what's going to stop your blood. So then from there, so through the back, from the back side, and then bring back underneath from my thumb, underneath my thumb, and then I wrap around again around my wrist from there. One more time, and then I go back over my thumb again. Once you get used to doing these, guys, you'll probably find a different way to do it and how you prefer to do it. And then from there, from wrapping my thumb again, I go back around my knuckles one more time at the top like that, and then from there bring it down to my wrist, and then finish wrapping on my wrist there like that. So as you can see, nice and tight, thumb supported, knuckles are wrapped up nicely, and your wrist nice and strong, nice and wrapped up there. So watch this a few times, get used to it, and any questions, let me know.